Claudine Barreto may bagong pasabog, tungkol sa kanyang ex-husband na si Raymart Santiago. Inamin ng batikang aktres na si Claudine Barreto, na hindi nagagampanan ng aktor at estranged hubby niyang si Raymart Santiago, ang pagiging ama sa kanilang anak. Sa kanyang panayam kay Karen Davila na mapapanood sa YouTube channel, ay natanong ito kung ano ba ang kanyang mga natutunan sa kanilang pagiging mag-asawa ni Raymart. Oh my God! I'm still learning. It's a process that's been going on for years and years and years, of so much pain and betrayal. It was just my life was parang I wasn't living. I was just existing, pagbabahagi ni Claudine Barreto. Natanong nga rin siya ni Karen Davila, kung annulled na ang kanilang kasal na sinagot niya ng, no. We're not annulled. We're going through a process now of annulment. Everything was okay na. Okay na kami. We would talk and all. I don't know, for some reason, he started being not a good father again, pasabog ni Claudine. Aniya, noon naman daw ay sinusubukan nitong magpakaama sa mga anak, pero sa ngayon ay tila sumasablay ang aktor. Sa kabila nito, sinabi naman niyang may contact si Raymart kay Santino, pero hindi sila madalas magkita ng anak. He can come to the house anytime, he knows that. And anytime, any day, if we wants to see the children, even noong bata pa sila, okay lang. Okay lang sa akin. Alam niya yun, lahad ni Claudine. Kaya nga raw hindi niya maintindihan kung bakit gusto nitong kunin ang kustodiya ng anak, kahit na pwedeng-pwede naman itong dumalaw sa kanila. Bukod rito, naging bukas rin si Claudine sa kanyang mga pinagdaanan, matapos ang kanilang paghihiwalay. Na-diagnose ang aktres ng anxiety disorder at PTSD o post-traumatic stress disorder. I think everybody would go through that period. I think it's a phase. It happens to everybody. Ani pa ni Claudine, I was so protective over my children, that I didn't want to leave the house. Hindi na nga raw matindaan ng aktres, kung gaano kahaba ang pinagdaan ng gamutan para maibsan ang mental health problems bunga ng kanyang pinagdaanan. It was like a roller coaster ride. There will be months na I will be okay. There will be months na I will have panic attacks and anxiety attacks or iiyak, but I always had to show my children that I was strong, say ni Claudine.